did you get?
Look at my card and find out. Did you get it, Baby J? Did you get it? Wow, Baby J. You see the froggy?
Don't forget to flip your card.
Oh, I forgot to flip it. Okay, let me flip my card.
For a 7. You win.
Oh, thank you.
I got queen. Joker. Confusing.
Let's toss out the Joker. It's too confusing.
Why are you putting the Joker?
Let's just not play with the Joker this time.
Right here.
Okay, good. I'll turn another card over.
If you're... 10. Queen is bigger than 10.
Okay, thank you.
Queen. Yeah. What's bigger?
What do you think?
Jack?
Queen is bigger.
No, Jack is the biggest of all.
No, Ace is the biggest of all.
And Queen. I get yours.
Yeah, you do. You get mine. Baby Julian, can you clap your hands? Clap your hands, Baby J.
Ace.
Can you clap your hands?
I got ace.
Clap your hands, Julian. Clap your hands.
I get ace. What did you get, Mommy?
Oh, let me look. 4.
Ace is bigger than 4.
Yep.